Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Cashflow. If your Robinhood account is restricted, don't panic, I'm here to help. In this video, I'll guide you through the steps to fix your restricted account so you can get back to trading. Let's dive in. First, let's understand why your account might be restricted. Common reasons include incomplete identity verification, insufficient funds for a transaction, or violating Robinhood's terms of service. Start by logging into your Robinhood app or website. Check your account notifications to see if Robinhood has provided details about the restriction. These notifications usually give clues about what needs to be resolved. Depending on the reason for the restriction, you may need to take specific actions. For example, if identity verification is pending, submit the required documents, like a government-issued ID. If there's a funding issue, ensure your linked bank account has sufficient funds or resolve any transfer problems. For terms of service violations, review Robinhood's guidelines and take corrective actions if possible. If you're unable to fix the issue on your own, reach out to Robinhood's customer support. You can do it by following these steps. 1. Open the Robinhood app or visit the Robinhood website. Tap on the profile icon. Next, tap on the menu icon. Scroll down to find the Robinhood support section. Click on the Help Center option and search for your query. If you don't find the answer you're looking for, go back and tap on the Contact 24/7 option. From there, you can chat with the Robinhood support team for further assistance. Once you've addressed the issue, Robinhood will review your case. If everything is in order, you should receive a notification or email confirming that your account is no longer restricted. To avoid future restrictions, keep your account information up to date, ensure sufficient funds for transactions, and follow Robinhood's terms of service. And that's it. Fixing a restricted Robinhood account can be straightforward if you follow these steps. Thanks for watching.